Dr. Rodney and Joe now. I hope y'all having a great day. Today I'm going to show y'all something because we said we're going to talk and do all this extra and other stuff. Anyway, however, if you haven't already, please hit that bell and subscribe and leave a comment below. So last week, I broke my generator, or a couple weeks ago I broke my generator, and I yanked on the string too hard. I was looking on YouTube because the power head went out here to figure out how in the world can I start my generator without the string. So I looked it up on YouTube, and Mark's going to leave the link below of the guy who I got the video from. Pretty much I'm just going to share with you guys what I learned from him on how to start. He started his lawnmower, I started my generator the same way. So I bought this set from Walmart. This is a 3-piece, 3/8 drive universal socket set. Because I only had 11, what is this, 11 millimeter.
But you said 14.
Oh yeah, 14 millimeter. And it didn't fit, so I had to find another drive. So it comes with the adapter, the socket, and the actual ratchet. But I don't need that. So all I'm doing is just gonna put this bad boy in here.
Hold on. So the lawnmower, it was a small engine, right? And this is a small engine, right?
Right.
So that's why it's the same thing and it worked.
For me.
Okay.
That's why I figured it worked. Now, I don't know if it's right or wrong. All I know is I'm supposed to leave the garage door open so there's no smoke coming in. I don't know if it's wrong started like this, but I'm going to do it because this is all I got. And I'm not getting rid of my generator because I can't yank the chain. And right now, there's nowhere open. Coronavirus is, close everything. So you got to make do what you got. You got to improvise. We military, so we're going to make it happen.
Right.
So without further ado, I'm going to try to start this thing up.
Okay, so you took the universal, whatever that is?
Right, and the adapter, and connect it to the drill.
A universal adapter.
Of course, I'm going to turn this on.
Okay, and this kind of generator is what kind of generator?
It's just a Pulsar, like 1200 watt generator. We mostly use it just for charging our phones or running the TV so Bob can play his Xbox while the storm, or if we have a storm or something. Eventually, we're trying to get generator, but we got to change. We got to upgrade our panel service in the house we just bought. So, hopefully, we're going to get that somewhere soon. So this is just for emergency,
right?
Backyard stuff.
Okay.
All right, so go ahead and lock the thing on there. Put it in there, glue it. Uh-oh, my bad. I don't know what happened. What did I just do wrong? Okay. My bad, guys. I hope I ain't stripping.
Okay, so what do you have to do to turn it on again?
Alright, for this little generator, all I did was, how I start this one is I come in here, I hit the on switch, I close the choke, then I make sure that I turn the gas line on.
Okay.
So the fuel can come down to the generator. If not,
and then you can yank the
chain.
chain.
The chain.
But because you don't have the chain, you had to use the.
I had to improvise.
Right.
So pretty much, guys, this is how you can start the small generator or your lawnmower with a universal bit, or if you got a socket drive set, you can use your adapter and your drill just to start your small engines. Now, I don't know what else you can do. If you got something that you think I can do or something that I can do different, here, leave a comment below. And until next time, guys, eat something good.
See you in the next video.
The next video. Yeet.